Alright guys, so I think today is the day that I finally do something about my room. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have been wanting to do this video. Is this crooked? I have been wanting to do this video for quite some time now. As you can tell, it is very bare, very gray and white, as you can see behind me. So I think today is finally the day that I give this room some tender love and affection and I make it my own. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, so this is what my room has been looking like since I moved into this apartment. It's actually a pretty good size, but the furniture in it is so oversized that it makes it feel very small. So the first thing I want to do is definitely switch out some of these furniture pieces for ones that will fit better in this space. I also really want to switch out those curtains. They look terrible, and I'm going to be completely switching out my bedding. And overall, I just feel like the room feels pretty bare and boring, so I really want to add some decor pieces to make it feel more of my own. So the first thing I'm going to do for this bedroom makeover is get rid of this dresser. I actually have a whole video on how I was able to make it over, so definitely go check it out. Removing this dresser made the space look a lot larger and made the room a lot more functional. So now that the dresser is out of the way, I'm going to go shopping and see if I can find some decor pieces and see if I can actually find a dresser that will work better for this space. Always got to go to the as-is section when you're in Ikea. Let's see what we find. If you guys enjoy Shop With Me's, definitely go check out my Instagram and TikTok. I post Shop With Me's on there all the time, so I'll definitely leave my handles up here and also down below for you guys to go check them out. This is what it looks like. Pretty standard, actually very standard Ikea dresser. It has 4 drawers, which I think are going to be plenty for what I need to fit in it. So I'm going to put the dresser over here. As you can see, there's currently a desk here. So what I'm going to do is move my desk into my living room and then put the dresser here. This shelf up here in my room for quite some time now, and I'm actually going to go ahead and take it down and replace it with a mirror that I picked up from HomeGoods. I think the mirror is going to look a lot better than this shelf. This is the current situation with my curtains, and I know it looks really ratchet. It's not cute. Either way, I'm about to go ahead and change these out. I picked up this curtain rod from Ikea, and I also picked up these panels from Ikea, and so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these curtain rods down. The difference curtains can make to your space always surprises me. By hanging them as high as you can to your wall, it really makes your space feel a lot larger and a lot taller. Once I laid out the rug, it was finally time to switch out the bedding. And guys, I have been waiting for this moment for a very long time now, so I'm super excited. I decided to go with all white for my bedding, just to give the bed a very cloud-like hotel feeling. I went with these white sheets from Amazon. I've been using them for a while now, so I can definitely say that these are amazing quality. I'll be sure to leave them down below for you all. I also decided to go with the duvet this time. I picked up the duvet insert from Amazon and the duvet cover from Target. As far as my nightstands, I have two different ones. This one is from the Ikea Hemnes collection. I've had this lamp from HomeGoods as well as this book on there for a while now, but it really was taking up too much space. I decided to remove them just to make it a little bit more functional. I also decided to switch out the knobs that came with the nightstand. This is such a simple and easy way to really personalize your Ikea furniture. Across from the bed is the wall that the old dresser used to be on. Now the wall looks pretty bare, so I decided to add a 43-inch Vizio flat screen TV. I really like the TV and I do recommend it. I mounted it using this TV mount from Walmart that was surprisingly cheap, and it's been working pretty well. The TV has not fallen as of yet. I went ahead and also added this wooden shelf that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I stained it using this stain in the color Special Walnut. To make my room feel a little less bare, I decided to add some artwork above my bed. I decided to just go with these 3 basic picture frames that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I added some artwork that I made myself. Before showing you all the final reveal, I wanted to remind you of what this space looked like before. It was very gray, very bland. The furniture was just way too big. The curtains and bedding were quite horrendous. But just with a little bit of tender love and care, I was able to transform this space into my beautiful, modern dream room. you guys enjoyed this room makeover. I am so proud of this space. I feel like it's a wonderful representation of me and my style. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my other room makeovers. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.